Hey, welcome back, designers. I'm very excited for making this video because recently I started studying this book, which is Starting with Why, and I understood the importance of knowing why before we start doing anything, and most importantly, why if we even want to start a business. So there was another coincidence that happened with me. I will also be sharing with you about this while reading the book. I just got to know that this happened to me a long time ago. I found my why and then I started the business. So I'm gonna also talk about that. And also make sure you watch till the end of this video, because by the end I'm gonna announce something, okay? And that's not just beneficial for all the businesses watching this video right now, but to all the funnel builders as well who want to make sales funnels for their clients, okay? And also the aspirants. So make sure you watch till the end to not miss that. And without much ado, let's dive right inside the video. So let me start this video with a question. Why do you think you're doing what you're doing right now? Now we all know we are struggling or hustling to start making more money for ourselves. That's completely true. But what's your why? Why are you even doing this in the first place? There might be several reasons, like I am doing it for my family. I'm doing it for making more money so that I can have the financial freedom in the future, which is not wrong. Okay, I must say this is not wrong. We all have to earn money in the first place because this is how we survive in this planet. That is completely true. But in the race of getting rich, we have completely forgot why we are even in the race, right? We just want to win the race, we just want to be on the other side, but we don't know why actually we want to be on the other side until and unless you actually learn about different stuffs on the side. For example, I started reading this book, Start with Why, and I found so much amazing things within it, which actually showed me the importance of knowing why we do business, right? Now, if you are just doing business for making money, that simply means we will be competing with our competitors at a very much higher pace, because we want to take all the customers, we want to take all the clients that are present out there, because we want them to reach out to us, because that will be making us more money and giving us more fame. We don't think much about our clients. Well, this is the reason why most of the businesses, I don't know, might be failing, right? Now I have a live example from my father's business. He runs a kurta and sherwani shop here in Cuttack, and it's a shop that is present for 60 years right now, and we get customers on a daily basis if the shop is open by directly from the people who are passing by. Main thing is, it's not growing, it's stagnant, because we don't know what is the purpose of having that business in the first place. When I asked my father about this, he had nothing to tell me why he has started the business. The main reason would be because this is the only thing that can help us survive today, because jobs are not there, not many people are getting the jobs, and this was the main reason. But he had no reasons for actually doing the business. So this is why the growth is stagnant and he cannot move on. So here's my thing. If we are not knowing why we want to do business with people, then we are simply competing with our competitors based on pricing and different kind of manipulations. Now, what are manipulations? This is basically the different types of things we do to start taking people inside of our business, inside of our service that we are offering. We want to take them in. For example, pricing, urgency, right? We create urgencies for our digital courses in order for people to hurry up and purchase the project or purchase the course, right? But do you even think like why it has to be urgent? People can purchase it after 2 days. What if I didn't have the money today, and if it is going to expire today itself, I will be borrowing money from my friend and then doing it? What if after 2 days I do not have the money, I cannot pay my friend back? This is how manipulations can affect people's life in a bad way, okay? So this is the reason we first need to understand why of a business. Now there's an amazing quote within this book written by Simon Sinek, which is Start with Why. It says, selling on the basis of price is like a heroin. You don't want to get it. Now, what's the main thing behind it? It's like if you are selling based on pricing, that simply means that you are competing with your audience and manipulating them, right? If you stop doing that, if you have a purpose, then your people, your community will be sticking with you because they believe in what you believe, right? So, first understand what's the purpose or what's the why you want to do business. So now coming to how to influence and change lives. Well, I'm not the guy who will be telling you how to influence people and win friends. This is the book that you need to go to. But here's what I can tell you. Before making any decision, first know why you are doing this project and whether this will be bringing in some change in the world. Now, there was this amazing quote by Jeff Bezos. He said it or he wrote it, I'm not sure, but I read it in a business page. It said something like this: if I will be making any decision, I will be making that based on if it's changing people's life or not. And if it does, then I will be assured that it will be quadrupling my net worth. Now, is this even true? Well, that surely is. If you're changing lives of 1,000 people, then that's not just changing your whole business, bringing in more revenue, but also you will be getting 1,000 plus testimonials, you will be getting 1,000 plus returning customers, you will be getting 1,000 plus people who will be doing the marketing for you. Okay, like just think about it. You can have 10 salesmen within your business and you can have 1,000 clients who are talking about your business. Which one would you want to have? The second one, right? Along with the first one, of course. So if you are starting a new business, if you are trying to make more money, first understand why do you want to do it in the first place. So even if you take the example of Jordan Belfort from Wolf of the Wall Street, it showed that Jordan Belfort wanted his employees to live the life that he was living, right? That's the reason his employees were so obsessed with him. They were ready to do anything for Jordan Belfort. However, it lacked the purpose of going out and doing something for the people they were actually influencing the lives of, which were the people who were purchasing the stocks. All those people were getting in loads of losses. That's the reason Standard & Oakmont had to go down. So you understand, the main thing is not just your employees. Employees are very important for your business, of course, but more importantly, there are the people whose lives you are changing. So before even diving in and looking forward to making more money, first understand who your audience is. Number one, know what you love to do. Then go out and start to understand the lives of people who you would be influencing, and then pave out a road or a roadmap on how you will be making it possible, and then understand what is the thing that is going to make you there. So what's my why of doing anything that I'm doing right now? Now, for the past 2 years, I have been going all around with sales funnels, right? And at the very beginning, I wanted to do sales funnels because it was a high-end product and I wanted to make more money. That's what my motivation was for one entire year or even 2 years. Yes. Recently I found out that this isn't something that I want to go with. Like, this doesn't even motivate me to do things, because I'm already in a position right now where even if I don't do anything on my side or business, I have my father's business and I will be running that and I will be scaling that. So I don't even want to do this. That wasn't motivating me at all. So here's the thing that motivates me from getting inside of sales funnels. Now, if I will be able to make your business successful, or any entrepreneur's business or startup successful with sales funnels, then it will not just change the way that they are doing business and they are making money. It won't only add another source of income to your business. It won't just get you more leads. It won't just get you more money so that you can be a very bigger firm. Of course, it will be the thing, but it will be influencing the lives of thousands of more people who are getting influenced by your business. So in this way, you will be able to not just scale your own business, but you will be able to change lives of thousands of people along your way. So there's where Create for a Change comes in. Now everything that I have been doing for the past 4 to 5 months, I have been totally focusing on creating for a change. The first thing I ask myself while going inside of making any sales funnels or even taking a new project on for myself, if I'm going out and doing something, I first understand if it's gonna change something, even if it's a small thing. I'm not thinking that if I do this project or a new course, I will be changing the lives of 1 million people. No, it isn't gonna happen. My influence is not even close of 1,000 people or even 100 people. So here's the thing that I really want to put out in everything that I'm doing. Whatever website you go in of mine, you will always see this message: create for a change. So I just don't want myself to follow this, but every single person who's watching this video, if you're watching this from here as well, please start doing things to bring in a change. Money will follow, trust me, it will follow. Just do it for changing people's life, either making it easier, saving time, or doing anything of that sort, but bringing in a change. So this is my why of doing anything that I'm doing right now. So here's the announcement. For the next 60 days, I will be working on a project which is 60 days, 30 niches, 30 sales funnels. Now within this challenge, I will be making 30 sales funnels for 30 different niches. I will be having 2 days to complete one sales funnel and also make one video for my YouTube channel discussing about the sales funnel that I just made. Within that video, I will be sharing the complete strategy that you can use and scale that niche using that sales funnel. Here are the 30 niches that I will be working on. If your business falls under any category, then wait for the day and I will be making a funnel for your business completely for free. It will be available on YouTube, so it will be completely for free. The news for funnel builders is that you can model this entire strategy that I will be making for different niches. For all of these niches right over here, 30 different niches. If you like and if you work on any of these niches, then I will be making the entire funnel for you as well. You can just model the funnel and make your own funnel for your clients and do it, because I will be giving it to you completely for free, because I don't want to make money in the first hand. My main reason is I want you guys to bring in change for the people. If you are a funnel builder, then I really want to thank you for actually helping businesses to grow their businesses and impact the lives of thousands of people. Thank you so much. And also, if you are an aspirant, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, because you will be getting all of the strategies. You can simply go out, find clients and do it for them. So this was the announcement that I wanted to make. Stay tuned for that. So that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please make sure you hit the like button and also share your views in the comment section, and also tell me if you belong in the niches that I just talked about. And also make sure you hit the subscribe button to not miss out the strategy sessions and also the challenge videos. So connect with the community, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and keep creating for a change.